Alright, it's Green Hill here, so now we're just gonna start this dig. Get this little shrub out. We got some rocks mixed in the soil, so it's just making it a little bit more difficult, but we'll get it out. Alright, there you go, shrubs out. Looking good. Like I said, that's how we do a Green Hill. Quality work all the time. Ain't nothing that Green Hill can't do. Alright, there you go. Shrubs removed. And like I said, ain't nothing that Green Hill can't do, you know. Anything garden related, this is what Green Hill does. And today this is our tool of the trade. And that's how we do a Green Hill, you know. We don't play no games out here. We ain't shining no shoes out here. We're just living that garden life, you know. And there you go, shrubs gone. We're just gonna clean this up a little bit, and that's it.